Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by logging into the client and going straight to Account or Settings. This is why you check eligibility now. Once done, confirm your account isn't restricted by rank or recent bans and that you meet the age requirement. Make sure you have a valid payment method because some transfers cost RP or a fee. Also note why this matters. Purchases, matchmaking, and friends list can change with region, so prepare to accept those consequences before proceeding. Next, you go to the Riot Account Management section and choose Region Transfer. This is the complex middle step because it lists what moves and what doesn't. Once you select the destination server, take a moment to review how your champions, IP/B, and some promotions might behave differently. Then confirm the transfer cost and accept the warnings. This is why you checked payment beforehand. After you click Start Transfer, the system queues your account and shows an estimated completion time. Finally, once the transfer completes, you should restart the client and log into the new region to verify your champions, skins, and currency balances. Make sure to reapply any local settings and repatch if the client asks, since files can differ by region. If you notice missing items or connection errors, first clear client cache and retry. If that does not resolve it, contact Riot support with your transfer ID. This troubleshooting step often fixes common transfer hangups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.